for teenagers, says Superintendent of Public Instruction Tony Thurman. In fact, learning these skills early sets them up for success.
This will increase their awareness and allow them to live a life without debt, to make better financial choices. It is incredible. And there are academic benefits for our students as well.
He's just secured an additional $1.4 million for grants to create more financial literacy courses in California high schools. The state has a partnership with Next Gen Personal Finance, a nonprofit that's developed a course California teachers are using already to teach high schoolers about their finances. Tim Ranzetta is co-founder of Next Gen.
Recent research has found students who take a financial education course less likely to take interest payday loans, more likely to take out federal loans versus private student loans, which tend to be a higher interest rate. Increasing their awareness about investing. This idea of kind of the fact that only 50% of America invest today, many because they don't know how to invest, and being able to kind of offer that long-term wealth that can be generated is just phenomenal.
And these classes are making a difference, says Thurman.
There's interest in seeing this funding that has been provided for financial literacy and other things to be extended and expanded. And so stay tuned. We do anticipate that there may be some legislative efforts, perhaps as soon as this coming legislative cycle in January, to create a requirement.
Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
A California law not related to the Supreme Court ruling to end and Cal State campuses preparing to offer abortion pills. We get that story from reporter Chris Stevens.
Governor Newsom approved a bill in 2019 requiring the two systems to offer non-surgical medical abortions, commonly known as abortion pills, for students by January 2023. Dr. Cindy Shoresman is medical director of student health at UC Davis.
Even though it seems like it could potentially be a reaction to what has happened recently, this really has been a thoughtful and well-planned approach to helping to ensure that these services are available to students where they study.
A full range of options will be offered to students so they can make what the government says is the best decision for themselves.
LA's national park's most popular sites reopening to the public today, a couple of weeks after massive flash flooding, but the National Park Service cautions visitors to expect delays and continuing road closures.
It's a tough time for the TV business these days, a challenge to get viewers to tune in the old-fashioned way, live. But live sports is another story. That's why TV networks invest so much in events like Sunday Night Football, for example.
NBC Sunday Night about to happen.
NBC has been using the star power of Carrie Underwood for the past decade. Last season, Sunday Night Football was primetime TV's #1 program for the 11th straight year. So, of course, the network is shooting for 12. No matter who wins the games, NBC wins if it continues to score ratings points. So investing in the presentation and adding some show business pizzazz doesn't hurt. This year, the show open will include game day scenes from each host city, and as always, Carrie Underwood will sing her anthem. Michael Lysak, Bloomberg Business for KCBS.
When you want something great, you probably don't want to wait for it, right? I mean, you might even be stuck waiting in traffic right now, and, well, how enjoyable. Great new offer on fast internet right now. You'll get unlimited internet with gig speed and supersonic Wi-Fi too. And get this, there's no annual contract required, no equipment fees, and a 2-year internet rate guarantee. Plus, it even comes with a free Flex 4K streaming box. And it's all just $50 a month when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data. A price that is truly jaw-dropping. The Xfinity Supersonic Bundle will visit Xfinity.com/gig, call 1-800-XFINITY, or visit a store to learn more today. Limited time offer, restrictions apply, requires paperless billing and auto pay. New gigabit internet customers only. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity internet. After 24 months, regular rates apply to all services and devices.
So what are you reading?
I'm checking out the ratings on the new TVs, and it looks like Samsung, LG, and Sony got the best scores.
Just like
Asians and their stupid, dumb cars.